In this video, I'm going to show you the uses of Google Docs. For this, I'm opening Google Chrome. If you want to use Google Docs, then you have to open Google Docs through a browser. In this search box, I'm writing Google Docs and I'm just search on this. Here you can see that the website link of Google Docs. Here you have to use a valid email ID to sign in to Google Docs. You have to just write your email or Gmail account, then just go to the next section and enter your password. After entering the password of your Gmail account, you have to click on the next button. Here you must have to enter your password correctly. Here you can see that the interface of Google Docs. You can create a blank document here, and here you can see that there are also so many demo of resume, letter, and project proposal and many others. You can follow the demo or create a blank document as you want. I am creating here a blank document. Here you can see that the document is untitled as I have not given a name of it. Here are many options that you can use. You can create a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation slide, or Google form, or a drawing here. I am going to show you how to create a new document here. You can see that the document has been created here. As I have not given any name of this document, the document is showing a name that is untitled document. You can write here and you can say that Google Docs is quite like Microsoft Word. If you have already used Microsoft Word before, then you can relate that with this Google Docs. If you click on the file section, then you may see many options here. You can share the file and create new file or open file or make a copy or just send this file as a mail. You can also download this file or make it available offline. Then you can see this file or access this file without your Wi-Fi connection or net connection. Then you can also access the version history. You can rename this and there are so many options here. You can also delete this. For deleting this, you have to must click on the move to bin option. You can also publish this to the website and you can see the document details here. You can also add a shortcut to the drive. Here I am renaming this file as doc1. And here if you want to share this file, then click on the share button. Here you can see the available link for sharing this. You can just get link by copying this link. After clicking on copy link, the link will be copied in your clipboard. You can also go to the settings option and change the audio limitation here. Here you can see two options that editors can change the permission and share. And here is another option that viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print and copy. If you want to skip this, you can just click on this. Then you can copy the updated link from here. You can change the format of the file when you download this. Here you can see that there are so many options that you can download this file as Microsoft Word Docs. You can also download it as open document format. You can also download this like a PDF document. and also in a plain text and a web page or EPUB publication. If you want to make available this in offline, then you must have to click on this turn on, and after that it will be available on offline. Here you can see many other options. Here you can also change the language if you want. Here is the edit option. You can undo this or redo this. You can paste any copy item. Here is a mode option in the view. You can insert files here like image, JPEG, a drawing, chart, etc. You can upload from computer or search in Webbox. You can also import files from your drive. You can also import from photos. And you can use any URL or use camera for taking picture. Here are also options for special characters, equation, and you can add header and footer and add page number if you want. You can also take a page break or anything else. You can also insert any link or add a comment here. And now I'm going to show you how to upload an image on your Google Doc. Just click on this image section and click on upload from your computer. Then select file, image file. Here I'm going to select this image file. And for this, just click on this image and then just select this. You can see that the image has been uploaded in the Google Docs. Here you can just resize this image. You can relocate this picture if you want, and then you can insert anything from here. I'm inserting a table here. Here this line is for row and the below line is for the column. You can fix the number of column and the number of rows before creating a table. After fixing, here you can see that the table has been created. You can see that the number of rows is 3 and the number of column is 5. You can't fix the size of rows and column and input any text here. Here you can see that the type of text and the language type. And here is the size of text, the font size. You can insert image here and here is a shortcut button. Here are also so many shortcut buttons which you have already seen in the file section. You can insert a link by clicking on this shortcut of link section. Here in this insert section, you can insert the equation as you want. If you click on this section, then it will appear some equations like this. Here you can insert anything else. You can also insert any bookmark if you want. Here is the options for format. Here is so many options in the tool section also. You can also use the voice typing here. After clicking on this section, you can see a pop-up is showing here. If you click on this, then it will give a pop-up that you have to turn on your microphone. You can type text by your voice. Here are also an option that add-ons. Then you can do more with jokes if you want. You can get help by clicking on the help section. Now I'm going to show you how to create a Google spreadsheet. For creating a spreadsheet, you can go through the file section and click on this new button and then just click on spreadsheet. Here you can see that the spreadsheet has been created. You can insert text here. If you have used Microsoft Excel before, then you can relate the Microsoft Excel with this. The use of Google Spreadsheet and the Microsoft Excel is quite same. You can do the same thing here and use this on same purpose. Here in this file section, you can see many options here. You can share this or create a new file or open a file or import anything you want. Then you can make a copy. You can download this file as Microsoft Excel. You can also save the file as open document. You can save this as PDF document or a web page like HTML or zipped. Here are also other options. Now I'm going to show you how to create a Google presentation slide. For this, just go to new section and then just click on the presentation slide. Here you can create slide, add slide as you want. This is like Microsoft PowerPoint. There are so many themes which can be used in your slide. You can just select any theme and use this in your slide. There are so many options like Google Docs and Google Spreadsheet. Now I'm going to show you how to create a Google form. Here you can see that a Google form has been created. You can make your Google form as you want. Here you can add questions. In this untitled question bar, you can write your question. And now I am showing you how to create a question. I'm just write your name as a question. Here you can add options. And you can also insert picture or anything you want. You can make it short answer question or paragraph. You can also make the question like multiple choice question. You can add the multiple options in the multiple choice question. You can add checkboxes or a drop down, or you can make the question like for uploading file. You can also add linear scale or multiple choice grid. You can also add tick box grid. You can make your question to insert date or insert time. Here you can see that a section is created for adding day, month, and year. You can also make your question to insert time. If you add multiple choice grid in your question, then your question will be like this. If you add the drop down option, then your question will appear like this. Now I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drawing, which is like painting software in your PC. Here you can see that an untitled Google Drawing has been created. In this white page, you can make your drawings. You can insert any shape or you can insert any linear shape. You can also add any shape from the shortcut bar. If you click on the shortcut bar of shapes, then you can see that here are some options for adding shapes, and here are 4 types of options that you can add. You can also change the color of your pencil or pen. Here is another option named View. You can zoom your page or make it full screen if you want. Here I am showing you how to make it full screen. If you press the ESC button of your laptop or desktop, then it will be remained the same as before. You can also insert any text here, or you can add any image if you want. You can also insert anything from your computer or drive or photos. You can also insert anything by a URL link. You can also insert images by taking picture with camera. You can change the color of shape here, which is I am showing now. You can add a comment if you want. You can redo this or undo this if you want. If you want to create a new file from the demo, then you can also do this. Here I'm going to show you how to create a new file from the demo. Here you can see that there are lots of demo of resume. I am showing one of them. Here you can use this demo for build your CV or resume. You have to just write your details in this page. You can just easily remove the name or details here and write your details. You can see that here are a lots of demo of normal letter, informal letter or business letter, and also demo of recipe, paid resume, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in my next videos.